Get strong.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to the channel. I'm really happy about two things. One, that summer is here, so you can see it's nice and sunny outside at the east coast of USA. And second, that I've done 3 quick mods to my car interior, which is gonna enhance the ambience of the car. So I'm really excited to show you guys what are those. So without wasting any time, let me take you through the 3 of them and then let me know your thoughts in the comments. So let's go. Number 1 is the carbon fiber style cover for the glossy area of my steering wheel. So there are certain parts of the steering wheel which attracts your fingerprints no matter how many times you clean them. So this was one of the glossy part where I got this cover. You can do the same for the transmission area as well. You see this glossy part, it attracts a lot of fingerprints and is always dirty. So you can get the cover for this area as well, but I chose not to. I think it would have been a bit too much, but if you like and your car has such areas which attract a lot of fingerprints, you can cover them with these kind of covers. Number 2 is the fighter jet inspired cover for the engine start and stop button. Again, this has a look of carbon fiber, but you can get it in different colors which suits the interior of your car. So you lift this up and start your engine. Isn't this cool, guys? Number 3, and my personal favorite, is the light and touch sensitive multicolor LED coaster, which lasts for about 15 days on one single charge of 2 hours. All you have to do is long press this on and off button and see this coaster glows, and then you can select the mode to change the color. And once you have selected your favorite color, you can just place it in a place where you keep your bottle. So as soon as you pop your bottle over here, it glows, and this looks amazing. It has all the beautiful colors and it looks very good at night. So yeah, I think this is definitely a must have in your car and it will improve the ambience of the car. As you saw, the coaster turned off automatically in about 15 to 20 seconds after I placed the bottle. So when I place it again, it will automatically light up and turn off after 15 to 20 seconds. Isn't this cool, guys? You can select all the colors that you want and this will really give that kick to the interior of your car. So I hope you all love the mods. I've put all the details in the description box. It is not gonna cost you more than $30 to get all the mods done. And also, depending on your car, you might want to add the covers on some more places. So I've done this for Civic hatchback, but it is pretty much going to be same for all the cars. So definitely check the links and you can get all the other products in the web page itself. Thank you for watching this video. Please keep up your support, like, share and subscribe. And also stay tuned for more of my experiences and more mods. So peace out, stay safe, see you guys soon.